So everyone that's been broken up and beaten down by SHIB price lately, probably starting to feel pretty darn good because SHIB price is starting to perform well again. That's always an exciting thing. And there is a reason why this is taking place. And it's something we've talked about before, but it's finally starting to impact price. I'm Luckside. Welcome to the channel. If you guys haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, hit that bell. Again, it's free to do, and it will keep you updated anytime there is new content live here on the channel. So specifically when we're looking at SHIB price, we did actually break 4015 yesterday. It's a range that we actually haven't touched since all the way back in August. So things are looking very good right now. We're approaching the top of our trend. We're on a retest right now, along with the rest of the market. You guys can see SHIB down about 3.25 over the last 12 hours. It's nothing different from what everything else is doing. And again, there were some sell zone opportunities that flashed here on my indicator. Again, if you guys do want to check out my indicator, there is a 7-day free trial of it. The link is in the description below. Normally costs less than $1 a day. And you guys can see it's great for identifying buy zones, sell zones. So feel free to check that out if you would like. But what I want to specifically focus on here is volume. So SHIB made this very similar move to what it did in August, okay? But what it took at that point to get to similar prices was actually a lot more volume, a lot more activity. For example, you guys can see it took almost $300 million in terms of 24-hour volume for SHIB price to pump to those levels. Did not take that over the last 24 hours. Took only about 200 million, 170 million, somewhere in that range, right? And why I'm pointing to this specifically is what you're seeing is there's less resistance to the upside. There's less available SHIB in the market. Go figure, like we've been talking about time and time again. So now it is actually easier for SHIB price to move to the upside because of this removal of liquidity. For example, when we look at what we were at in August, there is now about 2.5 trillion less SHIB available in the market on exchanges to have to fight through to the upside. What you are now seeing is the kind of warning shot for SHIB's next move to the upside. Okay. Now this isn't a guarantee. This isn't financial advice or anything like that. And what I want to point out is this move yesterday didn't really have anything to do with whales, didn't have anything to do with large holders, only 87 billion added yesterday. They're still playing things pretty tight. Activity in general, even inflows and outflows did almost nothing yesterday. So what this was retail volume fighting against very little liquidity. So what you're going to see now is if BTC continues to make these moves, if we close our weekly candle above this 20-week moving average, like we've referenced a bunch, we're above it right now. We're looking really good. We have the potential for BTC to approach a possible breakout, meaning that SHIB can very easily move towards a rebound and fighting through some of these ranges that we haven't been at since basically late July. All right. Now, this isn't a guarantee. This isn't financial advice, but this is the warning. This is what all signs are pointing towards. Signs are pointing towards our next leg in the crypto market. It's all a question of obviously when it's going to happen. Are we going to play out into this exact time frame like we have, in cycles past? For example, guys, that time frame it's right here. We're a week away from essentially this launch point for crypto in general. Will we follow what we've done historically speaking? Well, even if we get some semblance of it, there's not much SHIB to go around. The supply shock, like we talked about, it's here. It's coming. I don't know what else to say. Frankly, I don't, guys. This is the reason why I've been hitting on this time and time again. I know some people have said, oh yeah, that's not a thing. There's too much supply, all these things. Okay, we'll wait and see what happens, right? I've been doing this long enough. I've been trading for over 20 years. I've been in crypto for multiple cycles now, and I understand how liquidity works. That's why I try to lay it out for people to easily understand. And now that we're starting to see some of those signs, just wait for the next move. Just wait for SHIB to make a March-like event. That's the reason why I made that video the other day. Yesterday was a very good indication of what is going to be coming, but on a much bigger scale following here. Okay. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. This is something to monitor. If activity picks up, if we continue to see this resilience in terms of Shiba Inu holders, don't be surprised by very quick and volatile moves. I appreciate you guys as always. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below, but have a great day. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.